we are heading to Peterlee for the Flamingo Land Hyrax gang trip. I had to get up at 6 o'clock in the morning, actually 6:15. I got myself another 15 minutes in bed by booking an Uber instead of walking into town. But at the end of the day, 6:15 wake up on a Sunday, I am not having that. But we're on the way to Peterlee, so Anthony's going to be driving us. I've also had a fresh trim, and once again, I'm bloody bald. But anyway, should be an alright day at Flamingo Land, to be fair. All the regular Hyrax gang members are coming. Kregovic, Anthony, Daniel, and he doesn't usually come to Birmingham, like a bit of a pussy boy if you ask me. But also, unfortunately, Ricky's coming as well, so we're just gonna have to deal with that. But let's go. Oh yeah, boys, I forgot to mention, look at this absolute worldie of a coach that I'm on right now. And that Russian guy that doesn't stop fucking talking and hasn't been stopped talking since we left Newcastle. Fucking annoying. What can you do? Taking in all the sights of the northeast, like Mount Everest there. God. If you look in the distance, you can even see the Eiffel Tower over there. But the main thing is Dalton Park, boys. It's up there with that one in New York. What's it called? Central Park. But I think Dalton Park's a bit better. So boys, I've made it to Peterlee, Acreage Road. Gotta play it a bit careful around here because my phone will get nicked if I'm not careful at all. But I've infiltrated Peterlee for the first time in about 2 years maybe, since I've been here. Fucking hell. I've made it to Anthony's. I'm sitting here with my best mate, Charlie. Alright, there you go, big man. Alright, big man. Oh, this is going in the vlog. Oh. Alright, boys. It's official. Shotgun is mine. Ho ho, yeah, boy. So we're here with the boys. Me, Ricky, Craig, Poison. He's in there somewhere. And then Causey Boy, the driver. Doesn't like being a part of the vlogs, Anthony. He was fuming when I did the last one. But let it be known, in 5 years' time, when we're watching this back, Craig forgot his wallet and his mask.
Oh, nice to see you.
We were fucking 40 minutes down the A19 and we had to come
We were not
back.
40 minutes down the A19. We were just coming into Peterlee.
We were literally at the doors of Flamingo Land and we've now have to go
Actually
back.
were.
Craig. Forgot to shave as well by the looks of it. Ricky! Just wave at the camera. That's sad.
Oh, there's a cyclist.
So we're on the motorway. We're just about to go past a cyclist. What's going on there?
When it's best.
You love the Spurs, you don't you? Cois. Isn't that right, Craig?
Coast, man. Coast.
Look at him. These specs on.
Hang on.
Oh, look at that car.
So we're still on the way. We've made it to Sutton Bank. Get a load of these views. Oh yeah, views. Wow.
Look at the cows, dude.
Unbelievable.
Unbelievable, Jeff.
Craig, what do you have to say about this? I can't. 2 minutes.
What?
5%.
What do you have to say about this place?
Needs signal.
Ricky, what do you say? He can't even hear us, he's got his headphones in.
25% gradient.
Oh, this is around where we broke down. In fact, it was literally like right here. We broke down. It was like here, on this where the black car is.
Keep going outside.
I remember I was pissing in this field.
Craig, open your window.
people kept coming and boshing us
I juiced
on the
it.
window.
Juiced it.
Sad.
Yeah, I probably juiced it.
PTSD, boys. Shout out to all the boys.
Lads.
Don't interrupt me ever again.
Sorry.
Couldn't. I said good one, sorry. And this guy back here, look at him. Oh, I'm gonna drop my phone out the window. He's gone.
You can't see it.
Did you bring your pasty cost with you?
What's a pasty cost?
It's about £1.10 from Greg's. So boys, here we are at Flamingo Land. Oi oi, let's go! We're in the queue for Velocity. Got Kregovich over here. Got Kazi Boy over here. Got Poison over here. And we've got Ricky. The racist.
The racist.
Let's go! Thank you, Daniel. What is your thoughts?
My heart is racing.
I don't know if I can do this.
What was your reaction? Your first ever roller
I
coaster?
don't know how I made it, to be honest. I'm shaking.
What about the part when it came off the tracks?
It's £7 for it.
I thought it was over at that point.
Currently in the queue for Mumbo Jumbo. Poison's pussy out. What do you have to say about this?
I'm saying that we've been here for like 40 minutes and we're going to be here for another hour and a half. That's what I'm saying. It's all your fault.
There's the monetization gone. What do you have to say about this, Ricky?
No comments.
What do you have to say about this game?
I will say it's an absolute disgrace that Daniel puts it down, and I'm ashamed of him.
Personally, I think he should be put to the sword. Send him back to the bowling. We're sitting here down at lunch. Just been on the Mumbo Jumbo. What did you think of it, Daniel?
Great experience. I would do it again.
Just want like some.
So let's see what we're eating here. So I've got some
What's inside it like?
noodles, curry, and egg fried rice.
Smells like shrimp.
Anthony's got some sausage and chips. Out of 10.
Actually, got a glizzy. Glizzy guzzler.
Oh. Kregovich, what have you got?
I also got sausage and chips.
And what do you rate it out of 10?
Chips are alright, and then the sausage, yeah. So, 6. Yes.
And this is Ricky, the first person to ever come to an amusement park and order a soup.
I give the carrot 10 out of 10.
What about the rest of the soup?
I've already dropped some of the noodles.
It's jaw. What do you call it? Floor dropping.
Jaw dropping.
It's floor dropping, ladies and gentlemen.
There you have it, folks. Floor dropping. And what did you boys think of the Mumbo?
It was great. It was great.
What did Ricky think of it?
I thought it was over too quick.
51 seconds to be exact.
We waited in line for an hour and it was mint. Daniel wouldn't know though.
Daniel, how do you find it?
I already said at the beginning, I would go again.
There you have it, folks. And look at that fucking black cloud that's creeping over my shoulder.
Say that, it's
I would.
21.
Let's go. Boys, we're here at the zoo. And you never guess what's next to us, Charlie.
Are we starting to walk, okay?
Just thought-wise.
Trottoir.
What do you think of this, Curtis?
Ugly. It's ugly and wrinkly and scaly.
That's fucking shocking. What do you think of it, Craig?
I think it's old.
Put your mask on.
Sorry.
Hello.
What do you think, Daniel?
It's a very majestic tortoise.
Yeah, true. Like your faceless void.
likes us, but
Like your faceless void.
it is. How close can you?
What, a giraffe? How would it do it?
I think that giraffe
on your
would
neck.
knock on you like.
It was what? Stamp on your neck?
Never
But
know.
if they have really short legs or very skinny legs so they could snap you,
Use its neck and
you could snap their legs like a twig.
absolutely fucking snap them, man. Get a red card.
Just slide tackle a giraffe.
Double foot.
Going 2-footed.
Let me think of one. Oh, it's Daniel on the
Do the run and turn and look. We love you.
Hello.
You alright, mate?
I think you'll bite us.
We are your family. We are the Hyrax gang. Oh, you
He's
must
like,
be,
nah, we've got no food.
must be a chipmunk. Must be a chipmunk. Prick.
He's like waiting for food.
Come here. Come
It's
here.
amazing because when it's really sunny and they see
He's
the
coming.
the shadows of the birds going over and they always run away.
Damn.
That's what they do in Africa or whatever.
If we had food, it'd be over here in the shop.
Hello.
Now to feed them.
We are your brothers. Are you the Rock Hyrax?
Oh.
Oh, is there only two of them though? That's shocking.
Probably more, they're just hidden.
I think there's more over here.
Yeah, let's go.
Not the ropes. Please do not. The ropes.
What?
No, it doesn't matter now.
Oh, it's a
You cut us off.
Camera's on.
No, it doesn't matter.
Camera's
I'm
on.
not telling you now.
Please.
No.
Please.
No.
Please.
Oh, the rain's picking up a bit.
Where's it come from, Ricky?
Like,
Sky.
Comes from buffer.
Condensation. Evaporation.
Fake news, if you ask me.
A little bed there.
Trying to get him over, Ricky.
Okay, well,
Fuck me, alright. Hello? You all of me? Hello?
Oh, look at he's jumping.
Budget kangaroo over here, I don't know what it is. Look at them.
What's his name?
His name is Steven.
Stephen. That's very original.
Yeah. Steve-O,
Steve-O.
let's go.
We move. You would listen to this sign more, Daniel.
You what?
Wish you'd listen to this signing.
What's that movie called?
Especially you.
Kangaroo Jack.
Should have bought Kangaroo Jack.
Beach. Got him.
Oh shit.
Always one right on top of
Oh shit, I pressed video instead of photo. But it's not coming out.
it.
Come here.
Cycle.
Come
Definitely gonna
outside.
make it come here.
It doesn't look like them ones.
For me though, Ricky, it's only 50% chance of the rain affecting me. Because I'm a hard case. Maybe even 0%. Is it Zidane?
Absolutely Zidane.
What?
My lad, the Ember King.
No, put your fists up because you're going to have a fight with him. Put your cheeks up.
I'll spark the thing off.
I think you have the reach advantage where I think he's a bit harder than you. Look at him.
Aye, look at him.
He's not even blink. Mmm.
They're all gathering. Nah, this is creepy. They're all gathering.
What do you think's happening?
It's like a Planet of the Apes situation. Look, they're getting into a formation, a triangle.
Penguins together strong.
They're doing the fucking field wall.
They actually are. They're gonna do that song that Rolo sings in the first episode.
The birds are getting their stencils too. This is a pirate ship vlog, boys. The pirate ship vlog. The pirate ship vlog.
It's like locked like roof.
The pirate ship What?
It's gonna go all the way around.
I told you it does when it's
You heard about the Polish ride? It's taking inspiration. Hey, this goes on fade.
He's still going.
Gotta get the 10 minutes in. Yeah. Nearly went there. I'll turn you up. Well, that was special. Absolutely unbelievable. The best ride of the day.
Yeah.
What's the best movie quote of all time?
The best movie quote of all time. Welcome to Earth.
That training day scene in the car
How's it go?
says, my neighbour.
What's your favourite, Craig?
My favourite.
Movie quote of all time?
McLovin!
Nice.
What's yours, Ricky?
I don't have one, sorry.
Boring.
Fucking miserable cunt. You know what mine is, Anthony?
Game over, man. Game over.
First we're in a blender, and now we're saving lives.
What?
What?
We live in a society.
We did it.
Oh, he did it.
Shout out to all the haters.
What have you got, Daniel? What have you
What,
got?
Squidgy? What the fuck?
Whoa. Let's go. What are you gonna do? All the 2 pencils you won as well?
I'm gonna do this in charity.
You're gonna move to LA? What do you have to say, Craig? You watched that whole period?
That was the most entertaining thing I've seen in my life.
That's amazing.
Oh, it's sticky as well. Damn, bro. That's crazy.
Off to new conquests. I don't know what else we're gonna conquer in this building, but we're gonna conquer something.
Yo.
Look at this sharpshooter. School shooter.
You're supposed to hit them.
I've said there's a clown there because there's another clown right here. Okay, so boys, it's all coming to an end. We're on the way back from Flamingo and we're all cramped in the back because Daniel's manspreading.
Oh, I'll take it.
Fucking prick. What do you have to say about this mission, Craig?
Pretty good.
Out of 10?
8.5.
Out of 11?
9.
Out of 12?
Ask someone
Out
else.
of 69?
42.0.
That's funny, Ricky, because that's the meme number, isn't it?
What?
It's funny because that's the meme number.
It is pretty funny. Laugh. See?
God's sake. Anthony, what do you have to say about this mission?
I have to say that this car behind me is stressing me out.
Well, fuck this car behind me.
Because it keeps going up my arse.
Right. So, to all of you who have enjoyed this vlog, and it's literally only going to be us that's watching this in 5 years' time, but it was a decent trip. Peace. Love you lots. Subscribe.
Like the video. Smash that motherfucking like button.
Damn.
Can't disagree with that.
Share.
Hit the bells for notifications.
Exactly, Ricky.
Trash.